Hi, I want to address an issue that seems to be more and more prevalent as companies are implementing higher and higher cybersecurity standards. We're seeing a lot of people not have admin privileges when they're installing programs on their computers. The PCB Toolkit, like most, installs some registry keys, so you're going to have admin privileges to install it properly. Let me show you here. If we open it, everything runs fine because I obviously have admin privileges on this computer. What I'm going to do is show you what happens if the registry keys are not installed. I'm going to actually just delete the keys on the other monitor. I'm in Regedit and I go to the keys and I delete them. This is what it's going to look like if there are no registry keys installed. I'm getting a lot of people sending me screenshots of this exact screen capture. You'll get. Let me make sure you can see that. Yeah. This is not a valid integer, and then this goes through that a few times. I put in here a warning right there, down here, registry error. And you'll see that the images are all messed up and everything. This is supposed to be, if you go to, I originally put that in there. Let me go here. Go to Tools, Program Options. If you go to just the Windows theme, I put this in there before I changed the themes. This is actually supposed to be red, but in the new default theme of charcoal, it doesn't show up as red. But that's okay. This is why I'm making the video, to show people. So all you need to do, provided you have admin privileges, if you don't, you're going to have to talk to your IT department or change your user access settings and whatnot. But if you do, it's as simple as clicking the registry error button or link. It's going to open up this this window here where I've included all of the registry values, the keys. It's going to default create this .reg file in the install directory. So we go to Run. Yep. Yep. Add, and it's going to close the program after it installs those registry keys. Now, when you go to the program, rerun it, everything looks fine, and that error message has gone away. You can also access this through Help Reinstall Registry Keys, and that is how you take care of that. Parentheses is not, actually it's a quote symbol, not a valid integer. But again, you're going to need admin privileges to do this. Thank you.